S is for fun. Start. S is for essay submarine. Whoa, whoa, watch this story go.
Blub blub froo. FWEEO.
Woohoo! Yay! Ta-da! Now we have the letter. Now we have the letter T. T is for train. T is for Teddy, Teddy. T is for go. Hey, telescope, watch the story go. Unbelievable! It's the letter U. U is for unicorn. Yeah! Oh, U is for umbrella. Ha ha ha.
U is for you and Nan. UFO. Watch this S story. Go!
Zoom. Woohoo! Let's go. Very good. Here is the letter. V. Kid voices yell. V. V is for violin. Violin.
V is for ye. He, van.
V is for Volcano. Watch this story. Go.
Wow! It's the letter W! 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 W is for how? Watermelon, gay!
W is for whale. Whale, don't sing.
W is for wagon. Watch this story. Go!
Woohoo! Splash, splash. Yeah! Yeah! Excellent. Here is the letter X. Kids. X.
X is for
Yar.
Hey, Finn, X-Ray Fish Co. X is for your box. Watch this story go.
S. Now it's the letter Y. Cool, loud, bouncy.
Y is for yo-yo. Y is for woo. Yachting, yachte. Y is for yak. Yak. Watch this story. Go. Zillion thanks. The last letter is Z. Z. Z is for and zebra the zebra. Z is for zoo. Zoo. Z is for you. Zipper Jeep Fetch Tape. Watch this S story. Go!
Let's get this party started. Yeah! Open it up! Confetti! Confetti!
Thanks for watching The World of Azan Baba. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos.